Recently, Nokia brand new flagship phone, the Nokia 10, was exposed. Now that the relevant information about the phone has been confirmed, let's see what this new Nokia 10 will look like this time. The Nokia 10 will adopt a brand new appearance design scheme. On the front design of the new phone, the Nokia 10 will adopt an asymmetrical full-screen design scheme. The front dual cameras equipped on the new phone are located on the upper border, and the edge of the new phone. The control is also very good, and the visual effect on the front of the whole phone is also very pleasantly surprised. In terms of the parameters of the new phone, the new Nokia 10 will support 2K 120Hz parameters, which is also the mainstream mark of the current flagship phone market. On the back design of the new phone, the Nokia 10 will adopt a rear circular 5-camera layout. The visual effect on the back of the new phone is extremely good compared with the current matrix design. The circular design seems to be more pleasing. The back continues to be made of glass material, and the back of the whole phone is relatively good. In terms of the overall design of the new phone, the Nokia 10 continues the previous design plan. The new phone is full of business atmosphere, and the effect of the whole phone is more outstanding. The Nokia 10 will be equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor. The performance of this processor is also very good. It is also equipped with Qualcomm 1055 baseband, which also means that the phone will support dual group 5G functions. In terms of the memory combination of the new phone, the Nokia 10 will start with a memory combination of 8GB plus 128GB. And the new phone will have a maximum memory combination of 12GB plus 512GB. This memory combination is also standard in the current flagship phone market. In the new camera combination, the Nokia 10 will be equipped with a single 48MP plus a single 12MP plus a single 8MP plus a single to f lens plus a single 5x zoom 5-camera combination, and on the front camera, the phone will be equipped with a single 12MP plus a single 8MP dual camera combination. In terms of other configurations of the new phone, the Nokia 10 will support off-screen fingerprint recognition, wireless charging, fast charging, facial recognition, and NFC and other flagship functions. In terms of the release time of the new phone, the Nokia 10 smartphone will be officially released in the middle of this year, but the specific release time of the new phone has not yet been confirmed. In terms of the price of the new phone, the Nokia 10 will be positioned in the high-end flagship phone market. The price of the new phone is also very expensive. The starting price of the new Nokia 10 will be 69.99 yuan. But the final price of the new phone will not be known until the phone is released.